Hi you guys, Carla Grober, occupational therapist. I spoke to you last week about fidgety toys for kids in class. Important thing, fidgety toys should provide deep pressure input or resistance. Look at this lucky gem I found here in Jean Avenue in Dischem. I don't know if all the Dischems have them, but it's a very squishy kind of stress ball. So what is nice about this squishy, I don't know if you know those glue balls, it's the same as those glue balls. But much cheaper, only 20 Rand. So yeah, I somehow bought a lot of them because it's ideal. It doesn't make a sound, provides resistance. So great future toy for the kids in class. You get them in different colors as well. So yeah, I was quite excited. The guy at the counter said, "Ma'am, why are you buying so many balls?" Okay, so ons het mos laasweek oor die fidgety toys gepraat. Belangrike ding van 'n fidgety toy moet weerstand of diep drukking gee. So ek het hierdie oulike balletjies by Dischem gekry. R20 een. Ek weet nie of al die Dischems dit aanhou nie. Ek was hier by die Jean Avenue se Dischem gewees. Net R20. Lekker squishy, amper soos daai glue balle. Baie goedkoper is net R20. Beloof dis nie advertensie vir die balle of Dischem nie. Ek deel dit net met julle want dit is my ideaal vir die fidgety kids in klas, omdat hy lekker weerstand gee as jy hom druk, glad nie 'n geraas maak nie. Dis net R20 vir as dit breek en ja, lekker klomp verskillende kleure. So as jy 'n fidgety kids in julle klas het of as jou kind by die huis fidgety is, hierdie balletjies is great.